Look at the belts. It's turning that machine right there. The belts.
Look at all that stuff running.
Everything's running. That is so cool.
So it's powered by a little electric motor. It's big, big, cool. Sitting up right on those thrusters right there. It all works perfectly fine. And this would be your average setup for like your machine shop back in the day, 1920s, 1940s frame. These belts are a really easy system to maintain, really easy to work on, and they're just really simplistic. I mean, one motor can power your entire shop, and you can build off of it pretty much indefinitely.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, that's nice.
And that's the motor up there that powers it.
Yeah, back in there.
Back in there. Now I can see it. Up there.